Hi everyone, join me while I check out this smartwatch from Do Sports. Here's everything that came in the box. Got the watch, some instructions, and the charger. There's a little warning on here. It says, before use, please charge the watch to activate it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do just that. I flipped the watch over. I'm removing the bottom cover as well. Okay, I just plugged it in here to charge it up, and I pushed English on here. Now it's telling me to scan the QR code. So I'm going to do just that with my smartphone here. All right, here's some of the functions of the watch. So you push that button here. Go outdoor run, walk, or cycle. Maybe you can flip through their basketball jump ropes and pick your activity. There we go. And to switch modes on this thing too, so you can pause and get out of it. Yep, exit the workout. Yep. Okay, exit. Oh, okay, too little data to save. End this workout, yes. There we go, so you can go to a different workout if you want. It has a whole bunch of different sports on there. And click that side button to change modes. Here's the phone. You can make a phone call, take phone calls on there. And then it has your record of your sleep there as well. So here you can push phone, you can push activity data. It tells you how many steps, how many calories, and how far you went for whatever activity. See, this has a whole bunch of stuff here on a carousel type thing. So you even have activity data, heart rate, blood oxygen, workout records, weather, alarm clock, timer, stopwatch, flashlight. Let's see what the flashlight looks like on this. Okay. There's a stopwatch. So start there, stop there if you want to get out of it. There's that flashlight. Okay, it comes off the lens there. Okay, let's get back out of that. Okay. Yeah, so just this button right here, and then you can just scroll through. Meditation, find my phone, messages. So basically everything you have on your smartphone. Ooh, we got music there too. It's got all my tunes on there. That's nice. It's a great watch, from what I can tell. It's got a camera on it. Settings. So you can do different watch faces as well. Do that one. Give some stats. Get an old school look to it. Some different features here. I do like that. That's pretty nice. Menu style. It'll vibrate, give you screen time. You can do different languages, QR codes, how much battery you have. It's all the ringtone settings. You can go ringtone volume up or down. See, that's nice. That's how you flip through all your functions there. Then you get back to the main screen, just click that. All right, as far as the camera function on this, you actually can't take pictures with the watch itself, but what you can do is use this as your button for a remote control. So you can go set your camera. This is a great function. You can go set your camera, you know, far away from where you're at and take a picture just by pushing this button. So you push this button and it'll take a picture with your camera. So that's kind of cool. Okay, now this is a music control interface is what they call this. And so really all it is if you were to go here, if you were to go here and then go to your music function, music, so all this is this will play and it'll play on your phone. And if you're connected to your earbuds, it'll play on your earbuds. But this is basically kind of the same thing as the photo option. You can push it on here and then it'll play on your phone or stop it or, you know, control all your music from here. But the actual playing of the music will come from your phone. Now this is the meditation function. Kind of gives you some instructions here. It allowed me to select how much time I wanted to meditate for. Kind of just walks you through some breathing steps there, so that's kind of neat. And we'll get out of that for now. See, there we go, there's meditation. You can push play and you can put for however long you want to meditate for. Just gives you the countdown and then says go. So we'll go ahead and get out of that one. Some of these are just self-explanatory, you know, alarm clock. You can add your alarm, right? That's pretty standard. Timer gives you a timer. You know, you can do 1 minute, 3, 5, 10, all kinds of different options here by scrolling up or down. And if you go to settings, you can change your menu style as well. You can go list style, minimalist style, and I think that's it, or 9 grids. So that's basically all the functions on this thing. As far as the charger goes, take a look at this. So it's got magnets and probes there, or prods, and they just come into contact with it right there. All right, there we go. You can see it's a nice fit. This fits my daughter perfectly, and it comes on just like a regular watch. It's got the standard band on it. She has really small wrists, so if you're worried about this thing not being big enough or not small enough, not to worry. She has really small wrists and it fits great.